These would be gorgeous cut flowers. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. You're watching Growing on Vancouver Island. For today's video, I'm going to be making some more bouquets and delivering them to some unsuspecting neighbors. If you missed my first video in this series, I will link it down below. I suggest you go watch it. It explains exactly why I make bouquets for unsuspecting neighbors and don't keep them for myself. So let's take a look at the flowers we're going to be working with today. Here we have all of the flowers and foliage we're going to be working with today. Here are some white Mayland roses and some absolutely gorgeous oregano that's blooming and smells amazing. Here are some poppies that somehow seeded themselves in my vegetable garden, which doesn't go well with the way I like to do things in the vegetable garden. I like to have ideally only edible things, including flowers, in the garden. So I decided they would do much better in a bouquet instead of going to seed and spreading everywhere. We have some sedums. This is Autumn Joy. Some pink Spiriva bush. Purple Emperor Spiriva, just a couple of stems. And this unknown flower, I believe this came from a seed pack from Baker Creek seeds that I planted this spring. I do not remember what it's called, but it's gorgeous. I thought it would be really pretty in rose bouquets, but I don't have a lot of roses left. Only my white roses, really. I have a few odd ones here and there. And they're starting to have a second flush, so they're coming, but I thought I would try them in today's bouquet. So this is a new color palette for me. I've never really made pastel bouquets before. And in general, I am brand new to making bouquets. I only started making my first bouquets last summer for the first time ever in my life. So I have a lot to learn, but we're going to try to make some really nice arrangements with these flowers. And I do have more flowers if this isn't enough, other varieties that we could add, but we're going to see what we can do with these first. So let's make some bouquets. These are the containers I'm going to be using for today's arrangements. I'm not sure if 2 is going to be enough or if I'm going to need 3 or 4, but we'll start arranging and see what we come up with. So let's make bouquets. here we have our 3 finished bouquets. I'm quite happy with the way they turned out. This one I may still add a little more color. It wasn't exactly what I was planning, but I ran out of the ingredients I wanted for this bouquet, so I might rearrange it a little bit, but for now it's finished. These 2 are definitely finished, and I am going to go and make some special deliveries and hopefully make somebody's day a little bit brighter. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.